Hey, what's up everybody? I've been working on the hydraulic struts for the GeoDome, and I've made a little bit of success, but a little bit of setback. It's a really flimsy structure, so finding a way of getting that door to close with as little gap as possible is the name of the game. But I'll just show you guys how I've been able to, take the weight off of opening the door. So I think that's a good first step. And then in the future, I'm gonna figure out how to get this door to seal up quite nice, but check it out. And then I have these dowels here that I'm going to use to hold it up if you want to keep it open. Hydraulic struts work. It's enough weight, so that's a 100 pound gas strut. There's two of them, so 200 pounds of force are applied, and that's enough to help with opening the door. I spent a few hours trying to figure out the best angle to install them. I still have yet to really find that sweet spot. But I'm pretty comfortable with opening the door. You can see it was very effortless, and it just stayed open when I left it open. So that's good. I'm another step closer to making this GeoDome something that is easily usable by anybody. So the only problem with the door right now is that the structure seems to have sagged a bit, and in sagging it has left some gaps when you close the door. So I think it's just a matter of lifting up the structure, propping it up, and then putting the necessary braces to keep it from sagging. But I'll continue to look at that. I'll tinker with that. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys an update, and hope you're having a good day. And that's it. Peace.